Irreversible change without regret is cleansing. What holds the future for you is so close. Following your goals and dreams, becoming so clear right in front of you. You can describe it in writing, but it's clear. You can paint it, kind of like life. It's right in front of you. What inspires you? Do you accept the challenge of controlling your life? Why let someone or something have access to your emotional state of mind? Walk away, take a step back, cross those lines that have been created by your mind. Leaving your boundaries are not a mistake. They are not a bad choice. It allows you for insightful change and creativity. Irreversible change without regret is cleansing. How many of us want the same personal goals in life? Life creates outcomes for you and me. The difference is how much you believe in yourself. I never felt comfortable because I always wanted more. It's my drug in life, so to speak. Legacy, emotion, inspiration, critical thinking. These are my generators for life. These are my generators for legacy. Not for other people to talk about, but for my own personal satisfaction, my own bliss, my own personal liquid courage. Passing legacy for the world to grasp. That life is what you decide to mold it into. What memory do you hold closest to your heart? Sharing love, caring for the weak, accepting the challenges in life. As soon as you stop caring about the social environment around you, the sooner you can be yourself and actually start living for a change. Living for you and your bliss. Live for your legacy, your mental capacities. Challenge that has no right or wrong answers. The downfall, you're already winning. Because you're living for you and you alone. Irreversible change without regret is cleansing. Do you want to live your life in regret? The place I lived mentally wasn't meant for the future. Do we always have to be focused on the future? Why is it so difficult to live in the present? Leaving an ordinary life behind wasn't easy. Leaving an ordinary mindset wasn't easy. But irreversible change without regret is cleansing.